Hey, everyone, it's Nikki B, and welcome back to my channel. If you're planning to throw the ultimate 4th of July bash this year, you are in the right place. Today, I'm sharing some of the best decorations, party kits, and outdoor games you can get right now on Amazon to make your Independence Day celebration unforgettable. Quick heads up, all the links to the products I talk about in this video are in the description below. If you see something you love, go ahead and click those links to grab them before they sell out. Let's kick things off with decorations. We all know that 4th of July isn't complete without the red, white, and blue everywhere you look. So, I picked out 5 must-have items that will turn any space into a patriotic paradise. First up, we have the red, white, and blue balloons garland arch kit. This kit comes with 148 pieces, giving you more than enough to make a stunning balloon arch or photo backdrop. It's beginner-friendly with included tools like balloon tape and glue dots, and the metallic star balloons really make it pop. Next, check out the American bunting flags for outdoor use. These are classic and timeless. You can hang them along fences, railings, porches, or walls. Perks include their durable material and fade-resistant colors, so they stay vibrant even in the sun. The third item is the Fun Express Patriotic Stars and Stripes tablecloth roll. This one is perfect for covering long tables or multiple surfaces. It's disposable, which makes cleanup a breeze. Number 4 is the Sports Flags USA American Garden flag. It's weatherproof, vibrant, and gives off that small-town America charm. And lastly for decor, we have the 4th of July party backdrop patriotic sign banner. This is perfect for photo ops or as a main backdrop behind your food or dessert table. It's bold, festive, easy to hang, and reusable for next year. Now let's talk party kits. If you want to save time and get everything you need in one click, these kits are for you. First up is the Patriotic Head Bobbers headband set. They fit kids and adults, are lightweight, and instantly bring smiles to everyone's faces. Second, we have the American flag Patriotic Party Supplies disposable paper plates. These come in a full set with matching napkins and cups. The third kit is the Lantern 4th of July accessories bulk party supplies. This comes with sunglasses, headbands, flags, and temporary tattoos. The perk here is that it's perfect for group photos and adds tons of personality to your party. Next, we have the 171-piece 4th of July decorations kit. This kit includes balloons, curtains, paper fans, and more. The biggest perk? It has a mix of large and small decor pieces, so you can decorate both large spaces and little corners easily. Last in this section is the 125-piece Patriotic Party Supplies kit. This includes themed plates, cups, tableware, and mini flags. It's great for keeping your dining area cohesive and patriotic, and it's ideal for picnics or large family gatherings. Alright, let's move on to the fun part, outdoor games. These will keep everyone entertained, especially if you have a mix of kids and adults attending. First, we have the 4 sets of 4th of July party games inflatable hats ring toss game. It's silly, it's fun, and perfect for party photos and laughs. Perks? Easy to inflate, safe for all ages, and a guaranteed conversation starter. Second is the American flag ring toss pool toys with a 36-inch inflatable pool cornhole set. This one is a hit for pool parties. Perks? It floats, it's durable, and it encourages friendly competition in the water. Number 3 is the SWOC Games Giant Kick Darts set. This combines soccer with a dartboard. Perks include its massive size, multi-game options, and the fact that it's great for keeping guests active and engaged. Fourth is the Van Blue 4th of July tic-tac-toe beanbag toss game. It's simple, kid-friendly, and helps build coordination and competitive spirit in a fun way. And finally, we have the inflatable 2-in-1 floating basketball hoop and ring toss pool game. Double the fun in one inflatable. Perks? Great for pool activities, quick to set up, and made from thick, durable material. So there you have it, my top picks from Amazon to help you throw the ultimate 4th of July party. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Happy 4th of July!